Ways in which Gabriel could have survived the destruction caused by Cat Noir's Cataclysm. Number 1. Ladybug could have used her lucky charm. As we all know, she can't create another lucky charm without holding the object from the previous one. However, Monarch disappeared along with the object. He should have come to Ladybug in front of all of Paris and requested her to use her lucky charm to heal him from the Cataclysm. Alternatively, Ladybug could have informed him through news channels. That could have saved him. Number 2. Monarch had all the miraculous with him. He could have used the snake miraculous, which would have granted him the ability to go back in time and avoid making the mistake that led to his destruction. That would have saved him as well.